will be a grateful picture for you.
Of course, we can't wait. But, you know, how did you come up with this idea? Because, of course, we do realize this is something we need to talk about, and some people are talking about it, but to make it into a movie, and that too with kids.
Actually, I will give credit to our director, Sardari Raza Sahab, because that was the idea of our director.
Okay.
And after he discussed with me, and I appreciated his subject or his movie, because this is the very first time he is going to do something other than routine, because as you know that we are...
Okay, what is routine? Okay.
Routine
Let's
means
talk
actually
about
our movies or our dramas, they are just based on a love triangle or Saspo, just like fires. Nothing we are doing other than. So it's a very different, unique, or main thing that we usually look Indians or Chinese movie, and we appreciated their martial arts stunts. Inshallah, you will see the martial arts stunt you will never ever seen in even Pakistani movies or even Pakistani dramas.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
I think it's wonderful, and you know, adding on to that as well, you know, it's always very difficult to shoot such action scenes.
Definitely, yes.
And for that, you really need a lot of equipment. You really need a lot of people, technicians, stunt artists as well, and you know, stunt doubles as well, for example. So you know, working with kids, you obviously have to be very protective. One, obviously, it's your son in the movie.
Yes.
You know, you really do not want anybody to get hurt as well. So, you know, you being an expert yourself, how are you guys working on to getting the real action onto the screen as well, because that's the most difficult part.
Actually, after taking the audition from all over the Pakistan, our director chose very talented martial artists, and not only my kid, even my daughter, my brother, he is also the part of this movie.
Very nice.
Or they are our directors very much dedicated, or we will try to give our best, especially whichever specialty that is martial art. And the main thing is that the kids are not expert in acting as well. So nowadays we are working on this in weak areas, and inshallah they will be good actor as well.
Inshallah, of course, no doubt in that. So let's move on to our star Ishal over here. Ishal, when they came to you with the idea that do you want to be in a film, what did you think?
Obviously, I think to join this film because that was looking so funny.
Oh,
looking so
cute.
fun.
So looking so fun. Okay. So did you ever think you want to be an actor? Because you had already learned karate, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a belt as well.
Yeah.
Which one?
Orange belt. Basically, it's a
very
third level
nice.
of martial arts.
So were you excited that now you get to practice your favorite arts into a movie?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you know a little bit about the story? Can you leak some secrets for us?
Not too much.
Oh.
Okay, what's the name of your character which you will be playing in the film?
My character's name is Aigua.
Aigua?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so, and what is she supposed to do? Is she fighting against the bad, or is she the bad?
She is bad and
Okay.
Okay.
So
You're
she
the
already knows,
villain.
but she do not want to give it away as well. You
She's
know,
smart.
she knows she's very smart, but she's not willing to give away the character as well. Which is why let's move on to Arham now. So Arham, what kind of character will you be playing in the film?
I am doing a negative character.
Okay.
Snake.
And you are a
Snake.
snake.
Snake name is Viper.
Viper, okay.
How
So
does it
I think, you know, that the character actually resembles a character from Kung Fu Panda as well. You know,
Oh,
but,
yes.
and you know, speaking about that, do you actually want it to be a snake, or do you want it to be that tiger, or do you want to be the Kung Fu Panda or
I
something?
want to be a tiger.
You want to be the tiger? You know,
Very
with all of those different moves and kicks as well. So how hard is it? Because you're working with your father would want you to do perfectly well as well. So does he train you every single day that aajo chalo tayari karte hain?
Yeah.
Huh? And then do you do it with all your heart?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us one small dialogue from your script as well. What is the snake? How does the snake speak?
Snake speak.
You have to give him because
Something.
let me try to explain it better.
Yeah.
So you know Shahzad over here, he gives his voice for movies, all right. So if it's a cartoon movie, he's going to make funny voices for the character. So your character, does it have a funny voice, or does it have a special accent, or you just gonna do it?
I just gonna do it.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay,
What
well-
about you, Ishal?
Yeah.
Can you read us a line from one of your scripts, or can you just act out one of your favorite
they
lines?
didn't tell any kind of dialogue in the script yet.
Okay, what is your favorite movie otherwise? Like, for example, if it's Barbie, for example, if it's Mean Girls or something, do you know a dialogue?
That's that one.
Which one?
We can be heroes.
We Can Be
We
Heroes.
can be,
Okay.
it's a good film, and I've watched it as well. Which is why let me come back to Mr. Adnan over here. So Adnan bhai, you know, speaking about Kung Fu Panda, you know, we have seen that karate masters are always very elderly. You know, in whatever film you're going to watch, you know, may it be the Jackie Chan one, the Karate Kid we were talking about, may it be the animated Kung Fu Panda one, you see the master is just almost 100 years old and he's just waiting for some good student to step up so that he can
And take the
teach.
legacy.
Yeah, and take the legacy forward as well. So you being so young, how does, because on screen I believe your character is going to be very different. So are they going to make you go very elderly, or is it the same way you
No,
be
no,
in
no.
the
I will remain same in just like age.
Okay.
Or definitely there are two groups. The one group is for the good guys, and the second are the evil guys. And there are 5 characters in good side and the 5 in the evil side.
Please share the character.
Yes. Actually, they were Ishal as Iguana. Iguana, basically, there are the different parts of different dragons.
Iguana is
which
that
are-
lizard, right?
Iguana is a
Oh,
lizard,
got it,
yes.
got
She
it.
will act just like Iguana. And yes, it's a very
It's a lot of
difficult.
work,
just
man.
it's a very difficult. Arham is play as a viper, just like it move will be just like a snake. He fight will just like a snake.
Wow.
He will show very difficult stunts, and we are working on it.
Wow.
Or inshallah, there are different characters, very difficult characters, and you will see first time in our any Pakistani movie.
That's
And we
wonderful, but
wanted
why do you drift away from my question? Tell
Yes,
us, share with us all the characters, negative or positive, that okay, these characters we have in our film. So that, for all of those people who are watching our show today, they might anticipate about the film as well, because it looks interesting.
Okay, actually, first of all, I would tell you about the scripts.
Yeah.
Actually, script is almost ready, but it still didn't
now
hand it
with
over.
you.
Yes.
Okay.
So dialogue is not prepared yet. But actually, there are 5 characters. The one in is Aqua and the different types, and the 5 positive. And the main beauty is that the title, the character they are playing is the title name AZAAN. That will become Azan.
Azan, yes.
When they will make a group and we will show that Azan. And Azan is playing a very main important role for the spiritual powers, the spiritual values.
Wow.
Okay, that's really
Especially when they fight with the Satan, because the evil group, they are followers of Satan.
Okay.
So in this movie, the spiritual Islamic touch will be given as well, or